What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, where we break down the best tech that takes your setup from basic to beast mode. Today, we're diving into something that's going to blow your mind, especially if you're into mobile gaming, high performance, and zero compromises. Imagine a phone that's not just fast, but freakishly fast. A device that turns every swipe, every tap, every move into pure precision. That's the RedMagic 10 Pro, and trust me, it's not your average smartphone. It's a weapon for gamers, a tool for creators, and a statement for anyone who wants flagship specs without the flagship limits. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. Before we go full throttle into this beast, hit that like button, subscribe if you're all about future-proof tech, and drop a comment. Could you handle the kind of power this phone's packing? Alright, let's talk speed. The RedMagic 10 Pro is running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chip. We're talking 4.32 gigahertz max clock speed. Yeah, this thing's basically a desktop in your pocket. Pair that with 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 gigabytes of blazing fast UFS 4.0 storage. And it's not just fast, it's ruthless. Multitasking, instant. Game loading, non-existent. Streaming, flawless. This phone doesn't just keep up, it leads. Now let's talk about the screen, because oh man, it's beautiful. You're looking at a 6.85-inch FHD plus A MOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1500 Hz touch sampling rate. Translation: butter smooth visuals and input that reacts before you even finish your move. Whether you're in a Call of Duty match or just scrolling through your feed, it feels like your fingers are plugged directly into the game. And check this out, the front camera is under the display. That means no punch hole, no notch, just a full-on edge-to-edge immersive experience. Add a screen-to-body ratio of 93.5%, ultra-narrow bezels, and peak brightness of 2000 nits, and you've got one of the best visual experiences on any phone, hands down. But performance like this generates heat, which is where RedMagic pulls off something seriously next level. The ICE 12.0 cooling system is not just for show, it's an industrial-grade setup with a 20,000 RPM fan, liquid cooling, a vapor chamber, aerospace aluminum, graphene, basically everything short of liquid nitrogen. You can game for hours, and this thing stays cool to the touch. And here's the kicker, it even has RGB lighting. Yeah, a legit customizable RGB strip built right in, because why not game in style? Battery life? Insane. A massive 7050 milliamp hour battery means you can go for up to 2 days straight, or just game for hours without worrying about the next charge. And when you do need juice, the included 80-watt fast charger gets you from 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. That's faster than brewing a cup of coffee. And if you thought that was cool, wait until you see the shoulder triggers. Yeah, actual built-in gaming triggers. You get console-like control right on your phone, perfect for FPS, racing, and more. No clunky attachments, no gimmicks, just precision. RedMagic's software, built on Android 15, brings a ton of gamer-friendly features without getting in your way. There's a game space where you can tweak performance, block notifications, or stream gameplay. You can even control fan speed and lighting effects. It's basically command central for your entire gaming experience. And let's not forget the sound. Dual stereo speakers with DTS-X Ultra create an immersive audio environment, whether you're in a battle royale or watching your favorite movie. Combine that with haptic feedback, and this phone feels like a console in your hand. Oh, and of course, it's fully unlocked and supports dual SIMs. That means global 5G support, travel flexibility, and no carrier restrictions. You can pop in 2 lines, switch between them seamlessly, and stay connected wherever you are. Design-wise, this thing is sleek, sharp, and aggressive, just like it should be. It looks and feels like a premium gaming device, without being over-the-top or bulky. The build quality is top tier, the buttons are tactile, and even the packaging feels premium. So what are you actually getting with the RedMagic 10 Pro? A flagship tier gaming smartphone with a cutting-edge AMOLED display, a monster processor, next-gen cooling, massive battery, insane fast charging, console-level controls, and enough RAM to run a small city. Oh, and all of that for a price that undercuts most flagship phones that can't even dream of matching its specs. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a gaming rig, a content machine, and a tech flex all rolled into one. If you've ever wanted a phone that's built different, one that's not trying to blend in, but built to stand out, the RedMagic 10 Pro might just be your new favorite device. So let me know in the comments. Would you rock this powerhouse as your daily driver? And if this breakdown helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe for more real deal reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a drop. Until next time, stay sharp, stay fast. Peace out.